I buy this particular cryptocurrency on this specific cryptocurrency exchanger right here at this particular amount right now, which is 100 USDT right here, and I'm getting this particular amount worth of this token right here, which is on the spot trading right now. So this particular method will literally work on future trading, and I will literally go straight to Binance right here and sell out this particular token on my future trading. So how will I do all this? I will explain all these things step by step so that I can let you literally know how you can do all this very easily. So take a look at the price differences right here on this particular Binance future trading. This particular token is selling for this particular amount right here, and if you are buying from the previous cryptocurrency exchanger right here, which is this particular one, then you're selling it right here on future trading right here in this specific amount. Take a look at the differences right here. In this place, this specific token is selling from 0.25 cents. Yes, you take a look at the price. Now in the future trading right here on Binance, it is selling at 0.37. So now here is how you can actually navigate and make cool profit from this. So wait, let me explain, because future trading right here is actually the way forward I literally use to earn this specific amount of money right here on my Binance wallet right now. So I literally earn this specific amount you are seeing right now on your screen right here using this particular future trading method. So take a look at this your screen right now. Can you take a look at it right here? This specific amount right now, I literally navigate this particular cryptocurrency future trading in comply with spot trading, and I ended up making this such amount of money right here that you are seeing on this my Binance account right here. So if you actually want to also make the same thing, just give me some minutes of your time so that I can explain how you can use it to navigate spot trading and future trading in different cryptocurrency exchanger. So we'll be starting with this particular cryptocurrency right here on this specific cryptocurrency exchanger right now, and you will be placing spot trading on buy. So just place buy order right here with 100 USDT right here. Make sure you select the specific cryptocurrency right now. But if this particular cryptocurrency have jumped in price, there is some tools or some bots that we'll be using to spot any arbitrage method right here, because I'm calling it spot trading and arbitrage method. So it's actually a new way to make money in cryptocurrency right now with ease, without not transferring money from one exchanger to another. Now you have getting this particular amount of this specific token. Okay, listen attentively. You are not sending this particular amount of money to the Binance account and sell it on what is it called, future trade. No, you just have to buy the particular cryptocurrency right here, and just also go ahead and sign up an account on Binance right here. So what you just have to be doing right now on Binance right now, you just have to go straight and fund some amount of USDT right here. Make sure the amount that you are using to buy on spot trading on the first cryptocurrency exchanger right here on a low price, make sure the same amount you are using it on this particular place that you'll be selling out cryptocurrency on future trading. Now you also have 100 USDT available right here on your Binance account. Make sure you verify your Binance account. That is very important. Now go ahead and search the specific cryptocurrency. Make sure you are on the same crypto. It's very important. And then all you just have to do, go ahead and click on leverage, which is this cross leverage right here. Make sure it is 1x. Make sure it is 1x. Okay, so now it is 1x. All we just have to do, just for you to go ahead and transfer all your USDT that you have in your USDT asset straight to future trading right here. Then you will find the money right now. Just go ahead and place sell, which is sell. Make sure you place short. Short means sell. Okay, so in spot trading, in the first cryptocurrency exchange, you know, in that place they are selling this particular token at a very low price. So buy it right there on spot trading. So in this particular place again, where they are selling this particular token at a higher price on Binance right here, you just have to go ahead on future trading, go ahead and sell it out on short, just like this. Now let's say you will be selling 100 USDT on long right here. So here is it right now. Now you have literally go ahead and place trade just like this. Make sure you place the trade on time according to each other. Just make sure you place the trade instantly so that the two trade will be running together in where you purchase it on spot trading and where you also profit it on future trading. So in a while, if this particular cryptocurrency is dumping, you will be earning money from your Binance, which is where you place the trade on future trading. And if the cryptocurrency is pumping, you will be earning money on this particular crypto exchange that you buy it on spot trading. Yes, and with the price differences, there will be no loss at all. You must be on gain, you must be on profit. Even if the market or the cryptocurrency dump or it pump, you must be on profit. So that is how we literally navigate this particular method and ended up making a amount of money every blessed day right here on our Binance right now. But that is not all. just listen and listen attentively. To spot all this particular method, we have tools that we are using. Okay, so and the tools is this particular tools right here, which is arbitrage scanner right now. So take a look at all the signals right here. Every 30 seconds or every 10 seconds, this particular arbitrage scanner literally bring in signals. Take a look at it right here. This particular token right now, which is Flow, it is selling at this price on Binance and it is selling at this particular price on KuCoin. Take a look at the differences right here. It's very easy to spot an arbitrage opportunity right here using a specific tool. So these tools is not free, but moreover, there's a free trial for 24 hours. You can use it, but you can literally go ahead and keep tuned to this my channel if you literally don't have money to literally subscribe, to literally pay for any plan right here, because I will be dropping updates concerning all this particular cryptocurrency every day. But aside of that, it's very important for you to go ahead and pay for any plan right here, which is click on subscribe right here, which is this particular thing right now. Then just go ahead and select any plan of your choice right here. It might be 1 month plan, 3 month plan, or 6 month plan, or probably 1 year plan. So now listen carefully again, because this particular tutorial right now that I literally give to you right here, it's not a financial advice. I'm not advising you to literally put in money right here. I'm just showing you how to trade futures trading right here using a specific tools right now that I'm using to spot the particular opportunity that I've just literally show you right now in this particular video. So if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel. It is free of charge. I will see you in my next video right now. If you have any question, let me know. Okay, so bye bye for now.